So Serena and Temba Gombo are fighting again. Temba did an interview on CNN where he disclosed that he doesn't have any African ties. He disowned his family and he has also blocked all of them. When he dies, they should just burn his body and throw his ashes at Kruger National Park. Ndo wish yake. Anti mkazi wake ndio South Africa. Ndo African tie I think yainayo chete yoyo because mkazi wake she's South African. Ndofunga ndosaka ati zvangu munonondikandira kuSouth Africa ikoko ma-ashes angu. His reason is that a lot of people didn't support him when he started his career and up to now maZimbabweans vanenge vachingomuseka. Hapana anomusapota. Westiwo akazonzi aluza vanhu vese vanenge vachingomuseka. Everything Temba zvaanongoita anongosekwa. Let me just read what he posted. And Chokadi Shajon Chekuti support I never got it from Zimbabwe before I was popular. No one single sponsor from Zimbabwe. Only after I became popular for being broke to $7. Then some brains started to pitch me to use my limelight. As for the people personally, I've never seen it. They only jumped on my wagon once I became famous and came with conditions telling me how to behave and when should I post or be on social media. Yet they knew me through social media. I've been fighting since 2010, not 2023, okay. I know the true story. I don't force things. Itemba huyu. Dzamba rafuta nekuona interview, nekuona maposti zvese. Uyo. Dzamba rafuta akuposta kuti gara tazviona hedu kuti irombe iri. Adzokera futi kuda kunetsana naTemba wainetsana naye the whole of 2025. Akuti hanzi takagara tazviona zvedu kuti Temba irombe iri. Amena kuti dzamba rafuta haaziye here kuti anozongowanzirwa ndiye. After everything have been said and done, Temba always wins the fight. Hanzi panapa naTemba, if you fat, it's your choice. And if you get heart attack, it's your choice. 2026, I don't entertain lazy criminals. Kuva lazy zvekuba and still can't take care of your body. Imagine the audacity, I mean obesity, to even raise your fingers to talk about an honest, hardworking man like me. Go to Turkey at least and cut those fat chunks off. But idiot. I wish we had a lot of men like Temba in Zimbabwe, but unoswera zvako wanyudzwa. Hakuna zvakadaro, havatodi vanhu vanovachallenja saTemba kudaro. And then he also wrote, Dear Weekend, I ask you to stop this online attacks on me because I will always have a reply to you and you not like it. You can bully other Zimbabweans and buy them, but not me. So please refrain from attacking me because it then seems like I attack you first. I only finish. I understand you have money, but that's your money, not mine. 2026, I do not want to personally even have to see your face on my timeline. I'm not one of those who beg for your money while you beg for attention. Why don't you just be happy with your life? If it is really something you earn like the likes of real billionaires like Dangote, would you ever see Dangote online searching for Niger celebs to post him or comment there? Why? Because he's too busy working for his dollar. Respect me for what I've done in my life because I've been on places and to places you can never be or get to even with your money. Vanokubvunza unoita nezvei? What will be your reply? Ndinoba pano neapo. Honestly, relax, my guy. Buy more cars when you're bored of not getting attention. Mugonzwa iranzi ndinoba apo neapo. Temba with throwing shade. Is number one. I don't know what you guys think nezvese zviri kuitika izvi. Temba naWicknell kufighta kwavo kuri necessary here. Because what we know is Temba, he has always been fighting nevanhu veZANU-PF. Wicknell West, he doesn't want to see Wicknell. Since motikari dzese dzedze aitaura, he had opinions several times achitaura iye kuti government iri kuba mari vari kumusiza mari. It was just a lot zvaitaurwa naTemba 2025 and now that it's 2026 Wicknell wacho anenge ari kutoda zvaTemba nanhasi. Inini Temba for president, I like this guy. He doesn't fear anyone. He calls them one by one. Vese haana kana kubasa kuti president kana kuti ndiani. I think kuti vanhu ava Temba naWicknell, they should just have a boxing match. Chet zvobva zvapera toona kuti ndiani muhombe. Otherwise nyaya dzacho hamene dzinombofamba sei. To be honest, I feel like Temba anambobvira areceive enough support from Zimbabweans. Regai achienda kuSouth Africa zvake kunoona mhuri yemukadzi wake in the likes because vanhu vakawanda havana kumusupport. He never got any support and up to now. And hama dzinoda kuzongoti upekupedzisira dzakuda kutanga kuti ndewedu hama dzekwedu vanozwa uyu mukomana uyu ndiye mwana wanhingi uya, but mashure kwese aimboitwa rombe. I feel like it's justified in a way yekuti aite zvaari kuita izvi. If you have suffered rejection, you understand where he's coming from. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts. So, subscriber, please make sure that you're subscribed. Road to 35.